guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is KashRox and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is KashRox, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. So today guys, I have a special guest here with me. So this is my mommy, in case you don't know. She's the woman that gave birth to me. And then today on this video, I'm going to be glamming up. Like, this is the first time she's going to be getting herself glammed up. As I do that, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some secrets. I'll be discussing with you guys and telling you guys some secrets about her. Mostly, before I start, say hello to my guest. Hello. Okay, so guys, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please kindly do so this minute. Hit on that big red button that says subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. You guys, you know we are lit on this channel, right? I actually made a video recently with Mom C where I reunited with her and my family, which I'm going to be posting very soon on my page. I'm going to be posting on this channel very soon, so you guys please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video as I continue the rest of this video. I'm not a professional per se makeup artist, but we're going to be doing something on our face. I hope you guys can see the resemblance. I'm going to be doing something on her face, and I just hope that it turns out fine. And then I'll be asking Mom some questions when I make her up. Stay tuned to the channel and watch to the end of this video as we continue. So I asked someone to go get razor blade for me because I want to carve her eyebrow before I start up. And at the moment, I hope you guys get to ignore the sounds, the background sound or the background noise, because some people are staying outside and some people are discussing outside. So I know you guys can hear them, but please ignore that. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one or two stories about Mom C. And I know this is the first time you guys are seeing her on my channel. I actually made a video which will be coming up very soon. Are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Okay, so Mom C, let me ask you, when did you get married?
Age of 17.
Age of 17. Okay, Mom C got married at the age of 17. You guys can see how young that was. And then when did you give birth to my elder sister? 18. She was 18 years old when she gave birth to my elder sister, guys. You guys know how young she was then. And since then, she has not really lived her life. She has not really glammed up. She has not really taken care of herself. Have you been taking care of yourself? She has just been taking care of we, the children, all this while. So it's our turn to take care of her, okay? Is this your mommy? So guys, I'm finally done with the makeup. So this is Momsy's makeup. But Momsy, how do you feel?
Fine.
You feel fine? She feels so happy and she's looking so cool. Okay, like I told you guys, Momsy got married and gave birth at the age of 18, and since then she has kind of neglected herself. And today I decided to give her the best glam I could give to her, and I'm so happy that it turned out very, very nice. This woman here has been like a father to us. Like, she has been everything. She has been struggling, she has been hardworking, and she has, like, she carried all our children in her heart. She carried all our children in her heart. Instead of us not to eat, she would rather not eat. She would rather go to bed without having something to put in her stomach. So yeah, I want to say thank you very much for your kindness. Thank you very much for your love so far. Thank you very much for everything you've been doing to us, or you've been doing for us. I and my siblings, we are so grateful, Momsy. Okay, so we are so happy. I'm so happy that I'm able to shoot this video with her. I'm definitely going to come back for more video, maybe Q&A with Momsy very soon, hopefully. So yeah, this is the outcome. So you guys rate this makeup look on a scale of 1 to 10. How many do you guys think this makeup deserves? What do you guys think? My Momsy looks so beautiful, right? Okay, so yes, that is the end of today's video. The rest of this video will be Momsy dancing. Momsy, what do you want to say? Ask them to subscribe to my channel. Please
subscribe to my daughter channel.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, hope to see you guys next on my other video. Bye.
Bye.
My mama, God do go bless you, mama. All the suffer where you suffer, make I tanda. Now only better I go to do for mama. Mama, I do love you, mama. My mama, how I go thank you, mama. All the suffer where you suffer, make I tanda. Now only better I go to do for mama. If you do on your way, or if you want, if you do on my way, I will do it.
Why they do it like this? So Momsy, when did you get married?
Age of 17.
Age of 17. Momsy,
But
you don't do it. I don't tire today. We never even start. We never start. But then age of 17. On that fan now. Why fan do you? Don't move from there, that's what's you gotta bring your face, touch your face.
You're wishing me I used to.
Don't do your mouth. Don't open your teeth. Don't close your mouth. This size is fine. You're supposed to be dressing like this now. This is no fit, Momsy. I know it's in a long one.